In this video, we learn how to assign performance service levels, or service levels on volumes, or disks, by using NetApp Service Engine Web Interface. NetApp Keystone Flex Subscription offers capacity at predefined performance service levels. Each service level is defined by its I/O density, which is the ratio of performance, input-output operations per second, and used storage, that is, terabytes of stored data. Each volume managed by the Flex subscription services is associated with a service level. Before you proceed, you should be familiar with the prerequisites. If you are not sure about any of these prerequisites, contact your NetApp support team. First, log into the NetApp Keystone user interface with your credentials as an admin user in your environment. On the dashboard, your tenancy is displayed on the tenant field. We should make sure that your tenancy is selected. First, let's create an NFS share and understand how storage is provisioned. To create an NFS file share, expand File Services on the left navigation pane and click Shares. And then click Create Share. Here, we will create an NFS share, add and verify the details for creating the share, and assign the required service level. We return to the Shares screen. Click the bell icon to view the progress of the share creation. When the share is created, you can see it listed on the screen. Now let us view the performance report of the NFS share that we just created. The performance page displays information on 3 performance measures: input-output operations per second per terabyte, the throughput of megabytes per second, and latency in microseconds. On creation and before consumption, the volume reports 0 performance counters. Increasing usage and continuous consumption might impact the performance of the share. For any affected performance, you can view the same report for the performance graph and see the IOPS pattern. You can see an increased IOPS, throughput, and latency based on the input-output density on the volume. That is the ratio of performance and used storage. For this volume, the usage clearly exceeds the peak limits of the standard service level. Based on the graph report, you can opt for a more suitable service level. Edit the share to assign the extreme service level. That is more appropriate for the usage pattern on the volume. Once they are synced, the report shows performance graphs that adhere to the assigned service level. The extreme service level increases the IOPS performance to 1200 for the same input and output operations, and under the same network throughput, the latency has decreased from the reading of 140 to 250 milliseconds for the standard service level to only 40 milliseconds in the extreme service level. Thank you for watching.